Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you something fun, and it is how to play Minesweeper. So here we are on my phone, and usually on Android phones you should have Google Play Games pre-installed in your phone alongside Google Apps where you can find Minesweeper. So just to find it up, I'm just going to go head over to my Play Store and find Google Play Games. But unfortunately for me, it's currently uninstalled, so we're just gonna install that. Alright, now that we're inside our Google Play Games, we are now needed to log in, and now we'll be able to see pre-installed games such as Minesweeper, Snake, all of which the current generation probably doesn't know, because they don't have a childhood. Just kidding. Okay, but if you want to be cool, you should know how to play Minesweeper. Alright, so just head over to Easy. And the first thing that you need to do is just click randomly anywhere, and because you don't know anything, it's gonna break at least one or even a lot, like this one. So let me just tell you that each number is the reference point of a 3x3 cube. For example, this one over here is the middle of a 3x3 cube. Sorry, square. What am I saying? A 3x3 square. It's a 2D shape. Okay, so everything that is inside a 3x3 square is because is the one being referred to by the one. Basically, what it says is that inside a 3x3 square, there's only one bomb, and the same goes for this one. Even if you look at different numbers as the reference point, it all points to having only this one tile as the only remaining unopened or like undiscovered one, making it the bomb. So let's say this tree over here. This tree is the reference point of this 3x3 cube, and there's also three covered tiles, which makes it the 3 bombs that we need to find. And it works the same way for 2 here, so it actually coincides with the requirement that 2 has, which makes this tile here safe and no bomb, which makes this one here safe and no bomb, because we already have the bomb on the bottom right side of this one's 3x3 square. So that makes this tile safe. I hope you're following what I'm trying to show you here. So this one here has one bomb because inside of that one number as a reference point, there's one bomb. And then 2 for 2 works the same, which makes this tile here safe. And then we have another number which is 1, that makes these other tiles safe as well. So this 2, inside of this 2, there's only one more undiscovered, so that makes it the bomb. And now we have number 5, which makes this a bit tricky because we have 5, 2, and 1. Currently we have 4 flagged, and we need to find the other one, but that's hard because we also have other numbers, and you actually just need to analyze the numbers relation to each other. So we have 5, 2, 1, and in 2 we already have a bomb here on the left side, which is a part of the 3x3 cube of this 2. So we just need to find the bomb on the right side. So let's say there's also 1 down there, which means that this one in the middle is the bomb, because if it was up here on the right side of 5, that wouldn't make sense, because there wouldn't be a 1 on the bottom of the screen if the bomb was there, or there would be more number, making there more bombs. But since it only says there's only 1 and 2 and 5, that means the bomb is there. And as you can see, we have solved the game. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. That's how you play Minesweeper. See you in the next one. Bye bye.